guys, and welcome to another i-LiveWild video. Today I've got some very exciting news. I've received my new camera kit. So this is going to be the unboxing. It's a Nikon z7ii along with a Nikon Z series 70 to 200mm lens f2.8 as well as a Nikon 14 to 24 wide angle f2.8 Z series lens. So let's get into this. I've been waiting the whole day for this, so I'm quite excited. So I haven't opened the box yet, can you believe that? It's been a long day, so let's get into it. So, standard issue booklets, warranty info, warranty card, a very awesome little sticker, Z series, that's definitely going to be used. And now the moment of truth. So let's see what we got in here. Standard issue cable, charging adapter, charger, some sort of clamps, battery that I'm going to get into now, cable for the charger, and then Nikon very nice Z series strap. Let's start with this one. They've upgraded it. That's looking fantastic. It's not the same like the old straps. This is awesome, I love it. And then the big boy. Just move this out of the way. Piece of equipment I've been waiting for a very long time for. I haven't even wrapped my mind around this, what I'm holding right here. It's been a long time in the making. I've worked my whole life towards this, and finally I'm holding my new camera. Switching over to mirrorless, well, not totally switching over. I'm still going to be using the camera that I'm using there, the Nikon D750 full frame. But this is going to become my main camera now. That will be my secondary camera. Z7 Mark II is a beast, 48 megapixels of raw power. This thing it's a machine, so I can't wait to get into this. Let's get the battery out here. Pop that in there and let's see if we got power. Usually they are pre-charged, so let's hope for the best. And it's flat. But that's okay. Unboxing, let's carry on. We've got a standard issue USB to USB Type-C. It can charge on USB-C from a power bank, I believe. I'll just check up on that. But it can be done. And then charging plug. Charge the battery, that will be happening very shortly. At least the D750 and this camera uses the same type of battery, so I'm sure I'll be able to use that one in this camera for the night to play around and see what I can manage. And I'm not entirely sure this is not the plug for that. Cable goes into this, so I'll do that a bit later. Let's move that out of the way for now. Next up is the 70 to 200 f2.8 VRS lens. This comes also a warranty card, all the warranty cards, all the paperwork, a nice little bag or pouch where you can keep it in. Keep that there on the strap. And then the bad boy itself. I've actually never in my life shot on a 70 to 200, so this is a whole new ball game for me. But I'm quite excited for this, quite anxious to test it, to use it. And there's some more booklets in there. Let's get that out of the way. And let's get this one unwrapped. This is the prime of Nikon right here. This lens, they have bettered the old F series 70 to 200. Apparently this thing is a whole new level of amazing. So I cannot wait. It's got a nice little foot here to grip it. 70 to 200 f2.8 low light photos. This thing is going to be a machine. I cannot wait. So there, it's quite a hefty weather sealed. The camera is also weather sealed. Yeah, it's going to be quite a slug to carry around, but it's going to be worth it in the end. Right, next up is the Nikkor Z mount 14 to 24 f2.8s wide angle lens. I've used one of these before. I've actually loaned a Nikon Z7 Mark I from Nikon South Africa to test out the system, to see what I like, what I don't like. I'm finding it, and I must say this 14 to 24 is on point. There is nothing like it. Being a landscape photographer, this is most likely going to be my 90% of the time go-to lens. That's also going to be used quite a lot, but we'll see. So let's see what we got here. Lens cap, I presume. Yes, the big one. This is the 117, 112, I think it is. What was it? 112mm lens cap. Quite a big boy. And then the adapter ring for that one. That is for using certain filters and to protect your camera. Protect the lens, sorry, not the camera. It goes over that standard one, which is pretty awesome. And then, oh yeah, here's the ring. The adapter ring for that big filter. Big filters and for the big hood cover. Get out of the way. Let's dive in there. Bad boy here, and it also comes with a nice Nikkor pouch. So let's get that out of its plastic. And there it is. It's got an LCD screen, even the 70 to 200's got a little LCD on the top. It gives you some information on your focus, on your f-stop, all of those things. You've got your f-stop ring at the back. You can switch it to manual, auto. And you've got some programmable buttons on there as well. So this is my favorite lens by far. I really enjoy it. And then I suppose this just comes on here. And then you've got your little hood. If you don't want that one, just take that off. And then these two go together. If you're doing the big filters on this lens, you put this whole system on top of this, and you've got they're used for those big landscape filters. I'm pretty stoked about that. Looking forward to use them. But in general, I can't wait to start using this camera. This kit is going to be amazing. It's been a long thing coming, and yeah, I've been a Nikon fan since I can remember, and now I've got the Z series. It's probably not the top of the line, but in my books it's one of the best cameras on the market at the moment. It's really a machine. I've enjoyed the Z7 Mark I tremendously, and I think the Z7 Mark II is going to surpass all of those functions that the Z7 I has done superbly. Cannot wait to get into the field, get out there, get taking photos of the landscapes, anything around me, just using it, making some videos, 120 frames a second. It's fantastic, all around awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, that's my new camera kit. Stay tuned for some epic photos to come soon. I've got some cameras up for sale, I'll share the link in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you soon. Cheers.